How to schedule a meeting on Zoom PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Zoom PC easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So first thing you have to do, go to Zoom and go to the top corner, click on my account. Now on this page you will find many options. All what you have to do is go to meetings option right here, click on it, and right here you will find also some options. Go to schedule a meeting, click on schedule a meeting like this, and add the topic of your meeting and the time, duration, and after you finish just click save right here. Very easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.